Okay, I'm showing using this Pico car made by Yahboom. They talk about using the Pico board. We're using the Pico W board. In this case, it doesn't matter because we're using the infrared remote control. You can see that as we press a different button, it generates a new number that's based on which button is pressed, corresponding to what this Pico W receives from the remote control. Now that means we can put these numbers in our code and tell the car that when it receives a signal from this remote, if it's a given number, then do something, some particular action. I'll put a link to the code in the video description. It's going to be a link to my Google Drive because YouTube does not allow this many lines of text or this many different text and spaces in the descriptions. Now here's the car that can be purchased. We're also adding the Lego parts with nuts and bolts to the car, and we've added servo, and we've included servo in our code so that the servo motor will activate when a different button is pushed. And that's plugged into the servo pins. There are 4 sets of servo pins, so we can have 4 different servo motors doing different things, responding to the infrared. So we're building this whole system out more extensively than what the tutorials show. We're combining different tutorials to make the bot car more active than what is shown in the tutorials. There will be more about all this.